And we have arrived at the Trocadéro place. The best place to have the view, or the place to have the best view of the Tour Eiffel. You'll see it soon. There it is. From here you can admire it in all its glory. Thank you. The €1, guys. So this is the Trocadéro. The museums. Military museums and naval museums here, and the aquarium affairs is just down there. And we are gonna go down to see the Eiffel Tower from a much closer perspective. Unfortunately, the water is not working. It's much more beautiful than it does, but we had to do without it. Let's get down. So you can see the guy selling water, but he also had cigarettes in his hand. He sells cheaper cigarettes. Usually they come from Russia or from Ukraine. And again, normally this will be packed with tourists that you'll have trouble walking, but not today, not this year actually. We were up there, over there. There's a kiosk and a carousel, and just behind is the Paris Aquarium. I was there, I think, 10 years ago. On a rainy day, if you have nothing better to do, it's a good place to spend an afternoon. But now, let's get close to the Iron Lady. She's been waiting for us. We are on the final approach to Tour Eiffel. There's the Trocadéro. Here we're gonna cross the Seine. This is the dinner cruise ship. Once a dinner, overpriced as well. Much better to just take the bateau mouche, take a tour. They're over there, bateau mouche. Just take a tour on the boat and then go to dinner at some real restaurants, because they don't have, you see, they don't really have the kitchen to make the meal, so it's pre-cooked meal. They're just gonna warm them up in a microwave. So then you're gonna pay way too much for a microwave meal. So don't do that. And I would say don't do the Tour Eiffel either. Well, how there's not gonna be many people, but normally in the normal times there's many of tourists. There are going to be huge lines. You're going to be waiting for hours. The time that you can spend elsewhere. You're going to pay I think 17 euros to go to the top. And yeah, the view is excellent. But you have the Montparnasse qui est pas loin d'ici. Montparnasse, which is not too far from here actually. You can see it to the back. And, yeah, I was talking, the video was cut by the phone call. It's much better to go. Oh no. It's so boring. Disgusting. I was saying, yeah. If you see the building behind, that's the Montparnasse Tower. It's much cheaper and much quicker to go on the top of the Montparnasse, and the view is better than this one. One of the reasons is from here, of course, if you're up at the Eiffel Tower, you don't see the Eiffel Tower, but if you are at the Montparnasse, you see the whole Paris and the Eiffel Tower, and as I said, it's cheaper and quicker to go up there than here. And you see, all of this is closed due to COVID. You have to go around and around. Normally we can pass just here and look up, but not today. I'm gonna find the way to go in. Anyway, this is the Eiffel Tower of Paris. Here is the Eiffel Tower. And the surrounding area. Normally you can go down there even if you don't want to go up, but not today, not at the COVID times. So as I'm not gonna go up, I'm not gonna go inside. Some lovely apartments over here in the area. With this beautiful view. Yeah, you have to have a ticket to go. So you can admire it from here. This here is where people would have a picnic. There's the Montparnasse Tower. And just before the Montparnasse Tower, you can see the military school. On my last look of the Eiffel Tower. That's gonna be it for today. Unfortunately, I thought I'm gonna be able to show you more of the Eiffel Tower, but I'm gonna do another video when we get rid of the virus. So have a nice day, guys. Stay safe and thank you for watching my channel. I was gonna end my videos for today, but I just received a message that my sister, who lives in Munich, gave birth to a little baby boy, and now I have to go and celebrate that with a beer. Well, here, Bistro, Le Champ de Mars. I'm gonna do it. Probably gonna be a bit overpriced, but never mind. It's for my little nephew. It's nice to sit. I've been walking for more than 4 hours now. Oh, 3 hours of walking and like 45 minutes on a bike. A beer will do me good. I thought it's ridiculously overpriced. A pint of beer for almost 13 euros. That's crazy. But it's for Baby Oliver. Welcome to the world, Baby Oliver.
Comment allez-vous?
Cheers.
Ah, j'adore la Haute-Savoie. Il y a Haute-Savoie et Savoie.
So I needed that. Cool. So thanks you guys for watching. Have a nice day and stay safe. Bye.